Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the upgraded metal wall mount designed for the Sonos Roam, Roam 2, and Roam SL. If you're someone who's building a clean audio setup, wants better space management, or simply needs a sturdy, reliable way to mount your Roam speaker, this is a mount worth paying attention to. Let's start with what this mount is made of and why that matters. The entire bracket is constructed from high-quality steel, which immediately sets it apart from lighter plastic mounts you might find online. Because it's metal, it can support up to 30 pounds, far more than the Sonos Roam needs. And that extra strength means long-term durability and stability. Once it's mounted, it doesn't flex, bend, or wobble. It feels like something that becomes part of your wall. Now when it comes to the fit, this bracket is custom designed specifically for the Sonos Roam lineup. Whether you're using the original Roam, the Roam 2, or the Roam SL, the speaker slides into place with a snug, precise fit. There's no rattling, no gaps, and no awkward resting points. What the designers did really well here is add silicone padding along the contact points. This padding keeps the speaker from slipping, protects the exterior from scratches, and absorbs tiny vibrations so your audio sounds clean. One thoughtful feature that people don't usually appreciate until they need it is the cable slot integrated into the mount. Instead of having your Roam's charging cable dangling or bending out awkwardly, the slot guides the cable neatly behind the speaker. You can charge and play music at the same time, and because the cable routing is tucked away, your setup stays tidy and intentional. The only thing you need to remember is that the charging cable has to pass through the bracket before you screw it into the wall. Miss that step and you'll be uninstalling and reinstalling, so keep that in mind. Installation is straightforward. The bracket includes all the mounting hardware you need, and because the mount is compact and lightweight, it's easy to position before committing to the placement. Once it's secured, the speaker sits firmly without shifting, even when adjusting the power button or moving the speaker in and out. Functionally, this mount is about more than just holding your speaker, it's about refining your space. If you're using a Roam in a bathroom, kitchen, office, or hallway, wall mounting frees up your counter or shelf space. It also lets you put the Roam at an ideal listening height, which can noticeably improve clarity and projection. The mount's minimalist, curved design blends in with most walls, and the white color option especially suits bright or modern interiors. It's the kind of accessory that disappears visually, leaving the speaker floating cleanly in place. Another benefit is vibration control. Because the Roam is a portable speaker, people often set it on surfaces that amplify unwanted buzz or distortions. Mounting it removes that problem entirely. You get the speaker's natural sound, untouched by surface feedback. So, who is this mount actually for? If you're someone who wants your Sonos setup to look intentionally installed instead of casually placed, this is worth it. If you want to keep your Roam safe from falls, splashes, or cluttered surfaces, even better. And if you love a cable-free aesthetic, this addresses that too. The upgraded metal wall mount by Yibracki may look simple, but it's built with purpose. Strong materials, custom fit, anti-slip silicone, clean cable management, and an installation process that virtually anyone can handle. If you want your Sonos Roam displayed neatly, securely, and with a professional finish, this mount delivers exactly that. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this breakdown or want more deep dive reviews on accessories that actually improve your setup, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.